Chinese New Year, hitch a ride with you?
Sure, no problem.
Bro, can we reach before Chinese New Year?
I think we can.
Take Dynamite.
Dynamite? What's that?
Dynamite is a focus and energy booster without the side effects of caffeine because it's made naturally from mango leaves. It has completed 7 successful clinical trials and won multiple awards. Here, pour it under your tongue.
Adam, you're home.
Hi, Mom.
Gajan, you're here too.
Hi, Auntie.
Come in.
I'm home.
Adam, you're not wearing your seatbelt the whole time.
But where's the car?
I think we left it behind.